Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Doogee X97 Pro to an Android device. Firstly, you need to open Play Store on both. Then install free app called Send Anywhere. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. In order to use it, you need to do exactly the same on both devices. Firstly, click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this pop-up about new updates, you can always tap on Not Now if you want to. To close it, click on OK. Nextly, select Send at the bottom left corner of Doogee and Receive next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, tap on one of those options to select the best one for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to Doogee. You can finally click on all of those categories located at the top. Then pick those type of dots at the top left corners to select multiple files from your category. Then click on Send next to selected located at the bottom. You can also just click on the chosen file, in my case this one. Then tap on Send as well. Over here, click on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is the best one for you. If you decide to scan this QR code, you need to click on the scanning icon located above User Guide. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you want to input this key though, just click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Then tap on Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!